After illustrating how to utilize the Taleo Adapt hydraulics for walking on level ground, explain the benefits of walking on ramps. First, let the user walk up and down the ramp with the individual resistance settings for level ground. Observe the whole body movement as well as the behavior of the foot and knee and pay special attention to the angle indicator lines. The dorsiflexion range of motion makes it easier to walk up slopes. The plantar flexion range allows for a more controlled descent of slopes without having the user pushed forward excessively. Once the user feels comfortable, you can fine-tune the resistance settings for plantar and dorsiflexion if needed. Finally, demonstrate the benefits of the Taleo Adapt when standing on inclines and train the user to start walking with both the prosthetic and contralateral sides. Note that the 10 degrees of plantar flexion range can fully compensate for standing facing down most ramps, whereas the 2 degrees of dorsiflexion range at least reduces the pushback from the forefoot spring when standing facing up the ramp.